So this is my thunderstorm that's happening, and right now I'm in my room with my window open. Yeah, there's like lightning like everywhere. Thunder's getting like really loud, and I'm scared that my electricity's gonna go out. Or if there's gonna be a tornado and my dad's not here to comfort me. It's also raining. I feel sorry for anyone who has to live outside. I mean, don't you guys, like, really? I don't know what the heck happened because it was like all, like, it was nice. Like, really, this is like a horrible thunderstorm, right? Okay, I'm gonna shut this off before it kills my camera. So I don't know what the heck happened, but it's getting pretty severe outside. It's like pouring. Yeah, you can't really see it on there. Sucks. And like, I'm scared that there's like gonna be a tornado or something, or my power's gonna go out, and I'm upstairs in my room right now. So I'm gonna go downstairs with my mom. But like, my window's open right now. And so it's really loud. I'm getting like really scared, and I'm like a kid, and I love thunderstorms. Whoa, do you hear this?